Woo-wee, that thing's heavy. About whipped me getting up on this table. All right, guys, so task at hand today is to sort out this 4,000 watt Champion generator. Suspect we may have some trash in the fuel tank outlet. So let's see if we can get it sorted, and then we'll see if we can get this cord fixed too. So nice warm Saturday here. Let's see if we can get it going. First thing, let's look in the tank. You know, I got to thinking, this thing hasn't ever had an oil change. It could have an oil pressure switch issue. Could be low oil or something too. Let's look down in here and see what we see. I think it was pretty clean last time I looked. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad, does it? No, that's pretty clean. There's a little bit of trash floating around in there, but not terrible. We might put an inline filter. Let's check the oil in it. I believe this here may be a oil pressure sensor. Oil level maybe. Let's see what we got. Well, that might be the trouble, guys. It's a little bit low on oil, I think. Let's wipe this off. Check oil unscrewed. Okay. Yeah, that could very well be what's wrong with it. Well, let's do this. Let's change the oil, fix this cord right here if we can, and let's do an inline filter on it here. And that way, if there's any, oh, it needs a piece of fuel line anyway. Check this out. Look how cracked that is. Oh yeah, it's time. Okay, that's one thing I've noticed about these Chinese engines. The rubber on just deteriorates something fierce. Okay, no worries. Let's get at it. Well, I'd say that's pretty black. Oh yeah, it was time. Jared, oh, look out now. I was gonna see if I've still got my talents here. Now look here.
That's perfect.
And it ain't binding the spring all the way out. I don't know what caused it to do that. I'm assuming that was like that, or was it? Yeah, it has to be, don't it? To pull it out in the front.
If it were me,
Would you do it a different?
right here.
Yeah.
That way you can.
Darn right.
You gotta bust your knuckles.
I agree.
That's the less load you put on that grommet with the rope.
That's right. You ain't gonna hit your hand on nothing no worse than you were over here. They just got it over here because of the switch and the stuff, yeah. I guess. But the sticker ain't right, Jared.
My chainsaw bar is upside down.
Well, I pulled the bowl off of it at Mom's, and it just had a little bit of like trace rust in there, so. Alright, well that's good. I figured. Oh yeah, that's gonna work. Now, yeah. I'll put it up here out of the way of this, I guess. Maybe. What you think? Probably best. And then I can zip tie it over, maybe.
Push it back on.
Yeah.
Housing.
Yeah. You want to filter what's going in, not what's coming in.
Yeah.
That ain't gonna need no clamp.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about? It's his dad, I believe, or Stacy. Stacy.
Stacy, yeah, you go to church with him. Yeah.
Okay, so Anthony's the one that's going to put me an outlet in. That table's got a power strip on it. I think it's too kink, but I think it might. I think it'd probably be all right. I'm assuming that's on, ain't it? Yeah. Well, that might be why it quit running.
Could be.
There's a little bit of trash in it, ain't there?
You might be like, well, it's probably enough. I'm gonna tip it towards you just a bit.
Okay.
Should be fine. It should be in a low spot.
It ain't coming out. Yeah, there's some trash in that, ain't there?
If it does not, I'll just tip it back.
A little bit in it. Trash. Right, Nora.
The hole might be full. Like you said. You think it'd burn?
Well, no, I took it loose and it wouldn't come out.
That's right, yeah. I think about
Let's
that.
put a 4x4 right there and see if we can pull that off. It might be enough, okay. Might do it.
Yeah, it should be good. Got a good bit of trash in there.
Does it?
Yeah, it's not big stuff though. So.
I wonder if I could vacuum that trash out with that.
You got mine, oh yeah, that's what I do. Yeah, that's what I do all the time.
Yeah, it's all right.
Well, ain't nothing can beat a sample wrench.
This is true. Very true. That's good, ain't it? Should have let some come out first or nah? No, it'll be alright. Filter will catch it. Oh yeah, okay.
It's a 240 generator.
Yeah. I run the camper with it sometimes. That's nice, ain't it?
You could, get John to put you a transfer switch in your mom's house, and you
That's a thought.
couldn't run the water heater and the stove and stuff.
Well,
every outlet in her house.
She's got a self-contained gas water heater.
Oh, well, she's good then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see them, it don't need nothing.
Yeah.
I put it outside in a little hutch.
Mm-hmm.
It's got a thermocouple.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what hers is a tank too.
That's the way to go. Though.
Yeah, I mean,
power does go out.
When our power went out there in Helene, we could get showers.
Mm-hmm.
Hot water didn't have nothing else,
Yep.
but we had hot water, you know. Yeah, you brought me a tune-up kit from my mower, and I had already changed the oil, but not the other stuff. I put the air filter. That air filter made a difference. I always
It's crazy how it does.
I forget. Yeah, I should be using.
No, it's the same level as you fill it up.
Oh yeah, that's
They
right.
have a dipstick.
It does have a dipstick. It says "Do not thread in."
Yeah.
Basically,
Will it run?
simple will it run. Get the old tractor in here.
It's supposed to be like 70 on Wednesday.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that's crazy compared to what it's been.
Maybe everybody off generators in the garden till
Yeah. I see that picture of everybody taking their generator back. You might have said that. I forget.
Keyed off truck. It smoked black.
Did it?
Yeah.
Flooded itself.
I said it smoked black. Maybe it does.
Let's try it again, I guess. It tried, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's flooded. I can smell it. Guess it had a little drink of water right there at the end or something. You don't never know. Just don't like that color oil. Man, I wanted my molasses back. I ain't got no viscosity to it. Almost like it got run on choke, ain't it? What is that thing?
BPR 6ES NGK.
It's a real parts department right here. Here, let's do this for giggles right quick. Pull that thing a little bit. Oh yeah,
That's good fire there.
plenty hot. Maybe it needs a little. Huh. That sure acts like water, don't it?
Crack that bowl drain out there, so we have.
Okay. Get me a, what, 10?
Yeah, that should be.
See if it beads up.
Sometimes much worse. Just take the bowl off and
Yeah.
take that dang bowl drain.
Don't it act like water to you, kinda?
So, yeah, when it blows black and runs like that, it's usually what it is.
Let's let a little bit hit right there and see. Ain't nothing in the bowl.
Float stuck or something.
Huh.
Well, I got the fuel turned off. Well, that's on now.
Is it kinked? I don't think it's kinked enough to hurt nothing, is it? Pull one of them off and we'll blow through it. Must have some trash. Must have got trash between. Still ain't coming out the petcock?
No.
There's got to be something laying over that hole, don't they?
Oh, we didn't blow the pack. Okay, I didn't think about that until just now.
There.
Good. It looked fine, didn't it?
Gotta love it. Gots to love it, Jared. It must have trash in that outlet port of it.
Yeah.
Let's ease this down here just to make sure, Jared. Yeah, that flushed that out. Plenty of coming out there, ain't it? I dreamed of a rust flake laying over that hole, you know? I've seen that before. Oh, yeah. She clear now. Yeah, I pulled that jet.
Interesting. I would thought would have.
Yeah, I know. I pulled this jet out of it. I had just enough tools over at Mom's. I pulled that jet out of it over there. Ah, no wonder we got a little oil leak. Look here. Loose as a goose. CCP told him not to tighten it too much. Yeah.
I was about to have a meltdown.
What is going on?
He's about to see me throw.
I watched a camarada early this morning, and he got one used off the side of the road. Here, it's coming out now, ain't it? He got it all running, got it over. He's building a little hut on a waterfall, a little cabin. And he's making a spiral staircase, and it was a big old rigid with Subaru engine.
Oh, yeah.
And he'd get his welder striking up, had that hood on, and next thing that thing quit it, done it about 16 times. He had enough of that thing, went and got a brand new Predator. And he's like, I can't even hear this one run compared to that thing. I like watching him. Yeah, it's good. Now let's see if it stops good.
Ready?
Yeah, leave it on there a second. Oh yeah, okay. That's gonna be all right there, I think. When I was right out of high school, got one of them Swisher mowers from Northern.
Yeah.
And that thing throwed a rod out of it, dude. It was running half throttle, and they I mean, it grenaded, oil went all over it. And I went up there and they said, we're gonna put your short block on it. And I said, well, I need it today. And I'm way about to stir it around. They give me another one. Yeah. So that was pretty good. I don't know if that would happen today or not, but.
In your warranties now, you get to prove.
Yeah.
It's a warranty issue. Now.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Let me send an adjuster out there. You know. All right. Let's don't choke it just. It was kind of flooded, wasn't it? Just from pulling it 100 times, I guess. Alright, I think what we'll do is put it outside and let it run. So, basically this ends up having some trash and low oil, I think. Could be kind of corroded, maybe. All right, guys, well, that takes care of the little 4,000 watt Champion generator. Wasn't a big, huge deal, but we at least we sorted it out and found out we needed some oil and some clean oil and get that tank mopped out. You know, it's easy to get trashy fuel when you're scrounging around for fuel at a storm time or whatever. But yeah, I got this thing free for a long time ago, so it's good to keep it going. We got it all nursed back to health, so if the power goes out, we'll have it again. And I'll drop links below for the things we used today, some of the tools and some of the stuff. So yeah, appreciate you guys. If you like what you see, make sure you go down there and hit that like button and come back for the next one. We got some cool stuff on the way and can't wait to share it with you guys. So appreciate it again, guys. Take care.